Hello, learners! Today we are going to start a space exploration journey where we will visit solar system. You must be thinking, what is a solar system? Hang in there. We will explore together. Solar system is like a big family. It is about 4.6 billion years old. It consists of the Sun, 8 planets, dwarf planets, including Pluto, moons, asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. Whoa! Isn't it too many? Let's dive deeper into solar system. Look, this is a solar system. At the center is the Sun, and everything else in the solar system goes around it. This is a sun. These are the planets. Hey, look at the orbit. The path that components of solar system follows is called orbit. The Sun. It's a huge hot star that gives us light and heat. It contains 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. Its gravity holds the solar system together and supports life on Earth. Mercury, the smallest, fastest, and closest planet to the Sun. An average distance of about 57.9 million kilometers from Sun, its temperature varies from ranging from -173 Celsius night to 427 degrees Celsius during the day. Venus, the hottest planet with thick, cloudy skies. At an average distance of about 108.2 million kilometers from Sun, its temperature is around 467 degrees Celsius. Earth, our home, with land, water, and life. At an average distance of about 149.6 million kilometers from the Sun, Earth is the only planet known to support life. Mars, the red planet with dusty, rocky surface. At an average distance of about 227.9 million kilometers from Sun. It has the largest volcano in the solar system. Jupiter, the biggest planet with big storms. At an average distance of about 788.5 million kilometers. From Sun, Jupiter is a gas giant with the largest moon in the solar system. Saturn, famous for its beautiful rings. At an average distance of about 1.43 billion kilometers from Sun. Its stunning ring system, made up of ice and rock particles. Uranus, a blue-green planet that spins on its side. At an average distance of about 2.87 billion kilometers from Sun, Uranus rotates on its side. Neptune, the farthest planet with strong winds. At an average distance of about 4.5 billion kilometers from Sun. Neptune is known for its intense blue color. Besides planets, the solar system has other cool things like moons, which orbit planets, and asteroids, which are like space rocks. There are also comets, which are icy and get tails when they come close to the Sun. All these parts of the solar system work together, held by the Sun's gravity, making it a wonderful place in space where we live and explore. We hope you have enjoyed this journey. Please like and subscribe for more fun learning. Keep watching. Thank you.